How's everybody doing today? Dorian here at Artisan Vapor Company, San Antonio. We're at the Bandera location today. Just wanted to let everybody know about our Christmas sale this week. It is December 4th through the 9th with all replacement glass, RBA supplies, coils, and pods 5% off. Make sure to stop in for that. But we're here today to check out the new Vandy Vape Kylin V2 RTA. It's a dual coil device, says Kylin on the side, dual adjustable bottom airflow, top fill. Let's check it out. So when you first receive your device, it's going to look like this in its box. There's the tank there. It's going to say Kylin V2 RTA, Vandy Vape, full stream ahead. Got the website down here. Vandy Vape. Some information there. Your QR code, scratch authenticity, and it's some other barcodes there. Look on the back, we show what the design is of this tank right here, how it works, and it shows you what's included here. When you open the box, this is just a sleeve here, so we can just toss that aside. We got our extra drip tip there, our spare straight glass, and here's our tank. But this tank has the bubble glass pre-installed. It's going to hold a bit more juice there. We'll put that aside, we'll save that for later. There's that straight glass I was just mentioning. You get like a red resin drip tip there. Take out this box here. And you can see that it comes with a couple tools there and some screws and rubber bands and a 510 drip tip adapter. Here we have two coils. They are triple fused Clapton coils, and they're supposed to read at around 0.41. I don't know if that's a reading with both or individual. I'm assuming it's individual, so you might want to split that in half for dual coil builds. And what else you have in the box is this guy here, and basically you stick your coil in there, you find the arrow that it's pointed to, and you snip your leads right where it shows it. That makes cutting your leads a lot easier. So here's the tank itself. Right away you can see that this is actually the spare drip tip it comes with. It kind of like overlaps there. It is 810 compatible with all of yours. The way this fills, all you got to do is push forward, and the fill port's right there. To adjust the bottom airflow, there's a little ring right here that spins. And to take this tank apart, you just grab both at metal ends and you just unscrew. And there's your deck section. Now on this deck section, you're always going to have positive and negative. What a lot of people mistakenly do is they'll put their coil here and here on the same coil. What you're doing there is either putting a coil with a negative post or a positive with positive post. What you want to do is always come across the airflow here. So you have one of your leads there, one of your leads there on both ends, and that's how you would install your coils. They would just sit right in there. While you have your coils in there horizontally like this, you're going to actually feed the cotton down right into this retaining ring. And you don't want to go past that ring. You want to just fill it nice and filled in there, not too tight, not too loose, or it's going to leak. But basically you have hex screws right here, 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 and here. And that's where you would use the tool to unscrew those screws and install your coils. Back to the tank, you can see this is the bubble glass, it just comes right off, and there's your top piece. So we're here with my vape. Y'all remember I used the Dead Rabbit RTA here. We're going to take that off here. We're just going to use this for size comparison, just so you know the size of this tank. It fits 25 millimeters. So we're just going to screw this onto here. And so you can see it fits perfectly flush on a 25 millimeter device. No overhang at all, except for the glass here, but that's your option. But right up against the Dead Rabbit RTA. It's a little bit fatter because of the bubble glass. It's just a little bit wider at the top. It's got a bigger drip tip here. But they are both 510 threaded. I forgot to say on the bottom, you can see it says Kylin here, your serial numbers, signed by the artist, and then designed and manufactured by Vandy Vape. If y'all notice something different about my Dead Rabbit here, my girlfriend dropped my V-Mate and my Dead Rabbit together on the floor. I broke my bubble glass. It's unfortunate, but thank goodness we had that spare glass. Put that to a side. But that was the Kylin 2 RTA. If you have any questions about this guy, just drop them down in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Mention that you subscribed. We'll give you 15% off here in the store. Don't forget about those Christmas sales, and we'll see you soon.